this video, we will talk about estivation. What is estivation? Estivation means the arrangement of sepals or petals in bud condition. The arrangement of sepals or petals in bud condition is called estivation. There are four types of estivation. You can see. First one is valvate estivation, twisted estivation, imbricate estivation, and fourth one is quincuncial estivation. There are four types of estivation: valvate, twisted, imbricate, and quincuncial. Imbricate estivation is of two types. Ascending imbricate estivation is there, descending imbricate estivation is there. We will see one by one. So this is the diagrammatic representation of estivation. The first one, valvate estivation. In the valvate estivation, the sepals or petals, the end walls, they come closer to each other, but they are not overlapping each other. Such a type of estivation is called valvate estivation. A typical example, Annona. Here you can see sepals or petals, their end walls, they come closer to each other, but they are not overlapping. And such a type of estivation is called valvate estivation. Typical example is Annona. And the second one is twisted estivation. What is twisted estivation? In this case, sepals or petals, they are overlapping one above the other. Their end walls on inside, on outside. So they are overlapping one above the other. A typical example is hibiscus rosa sinensis. See, the case of hibiscus, there you can see twisted estivation. They are overlapping one above the other. Could you follow me? The next one is imbricate estivation. In the case of imbricate estivation, there are 5 sepals or petals. One is completely outside and one is completely inside. The remaining 3 sepals or petals in and out position. Such a type of estivation is called imbricate estivation. Would you follow me? There are 5 sepals or petals. The one sepal or petal is completely outside. One sepal or petal is completely inside. The remaining 3 sepals or petals in and out condition. This type of estivation is called imbricate estivation. And imbricate estivation is of two types. Ascending imbricate estivation and descending imbricate estivation. In the case of ascending imbricate estivation, anterior sepal or petal is completely outside. The other sepal or petal is completely inside. The remaining 3 sepals or petals in and out position. Here the important thing is the anterior sepal or petal is completely outside. Such a type of estivation, imbricate estivation, is called ascending imbricate estivation. You can see in the case of Dilonix regia, otherwise called Gulmoha. The next one is descending imbricate estivation. In descending imbricate estivation, here the posterior petal or sepal is completely outside. As in the case of Clitoria ternata or pea plant, the standard petal, posterior petal, is completely outside. The 2 wing petal, the one inside and the other end is outside in position. The keel petal is completely enclosed inside the wing petal. Such a type of imbricate estivation is called descending imbricate estivation. So a typical example is pea plant. This is Clitoria ternata. There you can see a standard petal, 2 wing petal and 2 keel petal. Here the important thing is the posterior petal. ascending imbricate estivation, there the anterior sepal or anterior petal is completely outside. But descendingly imbricate estivation, here the posterior petal or sepal is completely outside, and the remaining one is completely inside, and the remaining three sepals or petals are in and out position. Such a type of imbricate estivation is called ascending and descending imbricate estivation. The last one is called quinquential estivation. In this case, there are five sepals or five petals are there. Five sepals or five petals are there. Two sepals or two petals are completely inside in position. Two sepals or two petals are completely inside in position. The remaining one petal or sepal in and out position. Such a type of estivation is called quinquential estivation. You can observe in the case of ranunculus plant. There you can see five sepals or five petals, and two petals completely inside, two petals completely outside, one petal is in and out position. This type of estivation is called quinquential estivation. So with this we can complete the estivation. The next class we can discuss about the third whorl of flower, that is androecium. Thank you very much.